The school organizes 5 international scientific conferences, which are held on a regular basis. 40% of the academic staff have PhD or doctorate degrees, while the average age of a staff member is 38 years old. Within the framework of the Itmo Fellowship Program, it was possible to attract the world-renowned scientist Dawen Sun to the school. Dawen Sun has the direction of Food and Bioengineering at University College Dublin. He is also a co-founder of the International Academy of Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering and editor-in-chief of Food and Bioprocess Technology Journal. Professor Sun has the highest Hirsch index, 109, in the field. The School of Biotechnology and Cryogenic Systems is a part of Itmo University. Its key areas of study are food biotechnology and engineering, energy and environmental technologies, chemical engineering, microbiology, and genetics. These fields of research all contribute to sustainable development and a better quality of life. The global agenda, reflected in the UN's 17 Goals for Sustainable Development, has made our work particularly relevant. These goals primarily include the elimination of hunger, good health and well-being, availability of clean water and sanitation, inexpensive and clean energy, responsible consumption and production, combating climate change, and many other significant issues. If you want to tackle these global challenges, our school is a perfect place to start. Here you can acquire fundamental knowledge from the leading experts and master your hard skills within the field. And since we value holistic personal development, our students also have a choice of varied soft skills courses to take while they build their individual academic track. Planning your career is always a sort of a thrill. We all want to know what our future will be and who we will become. Our graduates prefer to work in enterprises and organizations that specialize in the school's fields of study. Therefore, the majority of key employers are research laboratories, testing facilities, the food and biotechnological industries, catering and restaurant businesses, and the food net, health net, and energy net markets. An interdisciplinary startup can always be an option. We are pleased when our international students want to become a part of our team. Over 15% of our PhD students decide to stay at the school and continue developing their projects after their thesis defense. All conditions for exciting scientific and practice-oriented experiences have been created at the school. Scientists, students, and PhD students have free access to the most high-tech equipment that allows them to conduct top-level research. The school operates on the international level. We have 2 international laboratories and 2 research centers. International Laboratory of Mechanics and Energy Systems, International Laboratory Solution Chemistry of Advanced Materials and Technologies, International Research Center Biotechnologies of the Third Millennium, International Research Center Integrated Energy Saving Environmentally Friendly Production. Among international partners and professors of the lab, practical training isn't limited only by lab work. At our school, we put great effort into organizing internships with our industrial partners and involving students in scientific, entrepreneurial, and social action projects. Under the guidance of academic advisors, students tackle challenges and tasks set by business companies. In 2020, 3 of the school's graduates successfully defended their projects as part of the Startup as Thesis initiative. The format is brand new and, in comparison to the conventional thesis, more focused on entrepreneurship. In 2021, we expect to have 15 such projects. Furthermore, the school has amassed a huge list of industrial partners that provide internships to our students. Itmo's reputation as a top-tier university has made our graduates very desirable specialists. This list includes Russian as well as international companies. Coca-Cola HBC Eurasia, Heineken Brewery Russia, Mitsubishi Electric, Gazprom, Pfizer, Biotechnology, Danone, Baltica Brewery, Bitzer, and many others. One of Itmo's key values is being international. The school shares this vision and supports students in applying for semester exchanges, short-term programs, workshops, and international conferences. Itmo has 170+ active academic partners. On matters of research and academic mobility, the school collaborates with Aalto University, University of Tampere, KU Leuven, Harvard University, University of Central Florida, and many others. A graduate who has enjoyed everything Itmo has to offer has honed all their hard skills, practiced them on a project, went abroad, and worked in an international environment. That probably sounds obvious, but most important of all, they feel that they are a well-rounded person and share such Itmo values as being self-motivated, international, and open-minded. We hope that they will become a part of our big Itmo family. If you have any questions about the School of Biotechnology and Cryogenic Systems, write us an email.